Hello and welcome to the 3B Kids of Texas channel. Today we are making window pane candy.
Like a torch window. That's funny.
First, we need to melt a half cup of butter. As that butter is melting, get those chocolate chips ready. Whoa! Stir on the chocolate to the melted butter. Place 2 large pieces of wax paper on the counter. You need 1½ cups sweetened shredded coconuts. Sprinkle a little bit on the wax paper.
Put marshmallows in a big bowl.
Pour the cooled chocolate mixture into the bowl and stir.
Put the mixture on the wax paper.
Sprinkle the rest of the coconut on top. Tightly wrap the logs in the wax paper and refrigerate. After it refrigerates for a couple hours, this is the final product. So pretty and so colorful.
Yummy. I love it.
I like most of that is the chocolate. It looks like a real window pane. If you like this